Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to activate the video stabilization on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So actually, it's quite easy. At first open settings, but wait a moment, and here now go to search. In the search bar, search for the camera and tap the first thing that pops up. Here now tap record video and scroll down to the enhanced stabilization. Enable that to have the enhanced stabilization for your videos, and apart from that you can exit the settings, open the camera, tap video, and here if you tap video once again you can enable the action mode, which is very cool when you are running after someone and you want to record it. And actually that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on the video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. Goodbye!